What's up, dolls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I thought I would bring it all the way back and do an updated what's in my bag slash my new bag reveal. I am so excited about this. I don't really think I've had something this bold before because of the color. Usually I keep it very simple and get all of my bags in black, but for fall and winter I thought this was just everything. So before I go ahead and dive on into today's video, make sure you guys go ahead and join the doll gang by clicking subscribe down below, and of course going ahead and clicking the bell next to it so you dolls never miss an upload. I am doing Vlogmas this year, so that means a new vlog is going up every single day up until Christmas time. I might do it throughout the whole entire month. I'm not entirely sure just yet, but all of those vlogs are over on my vlog channel, youtube.com/akdollx2. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe so you can see this face every single day. It's gonna get wild, it's gonna get crazy. I am so excited for all the vlogs that are to come, and I hope you guys are too. So let's go ahead and jump on into all the details about this beautiful bag. I was looking for a good everyday purse that was big enough to fit all of my essentials and a little bit more, but wasn't too big or too heavy like my Speedy that I always carry. So I ended up going on teddyblake.com and browsing, and I ended up finding this, which is a really good dupe for a Chanel flap, but a fraction of the cost. There's really no branding on it, which I like. It does have silver hardware, which I also like because a lot of my bags that I have gold hardware, so it's really nice to mix it up. And then this beautiful red color is just perfect for this season. This particular style is the Sylvian, I'll have to leave it down below, Sylvia Napa in the 11-inch. So you can get this in a bunch of different colors of leather, genuine leather, or you can go ahead and get it in a different size as well. So this is just the structure of the bag. It's pretty full, and I would say it's pretty giving with the amount of stuff that you're able to stuff inside the bag. I would say I could fit a couple more items if I needed to inside. So it also came with a dust bag, which I love. I love to store my bags in dust bags just to protect them and keep them looking nice longer. The strap detail is really nice. I think you can do a lot with the straps that you're given. You could wear it with the double chain, just like this, over your shoulder. But what I do like is you can adjust the chain by pulling it, and then you have a much longer length, which this is a little long for me. It hits me very low on my body, just over the shoulder, even crossbody. So what I like to do is almost double it up. So what you can do is just open up the flap. It does have a little clasp here, and you can almost like wrap the chain around itself. I mean, it's just one of those things, like it's just a really long chain. How did I do this? I can't remember how I did it. I think I pulled one of these loops and then I just went around the flap. Is that how I did it? That's not how I did it, but that's how you can shorten the chain length if you want to carry it like this. So you get a whole different look. So I guess there is no way to shorten it for a crossbody style. It just hangs really low on me. That's the only thing I can say about it. But I do like that the leather is intertwined with the chain. It gives you that Chanel vibe, and I really love that. Now let's go ahead and get into the interior of the bag. So inside, you guys will be able to see once I go through this, the actual interior, because there is a couple of nice pockets here on this side, which are really good to kind of organize the belongings that you have, like wires and cords, your makeup products. I know these are technically called like cell phone pockets, but it's 2018 and everybody's phones are like the size of iPads. So my phone doesn't fit in any of these side pockets, but what you could do is put your phone in the zipper pocket here, but I like to keep beauty products back there just so it doesn't get like opened up or spilled. Let's go ahead and get started with all the things that your girl has. The first thing that I keep in my bag is my phone, of course. I just did a video on my iPhone cases, so I tend to switch them out pretty often. This is the current one that I have on my phone right now. It's from Casetify, and I will leave that video linked down below. It's a really nice hard case that protects my phone from being dropped on the floor, God forbid, or scratching or cracking. And this is the iPhone XS Max. I have a bunch of videos talking about this phone, so I'll leave those linked in the down bar for you guys as well. I have a snack bar, a protein bar. This is the Cliff chocolate brownie. Not the best for you. It has a lot of sugar in it, but it does the job. I am out and about running around, so I never really know when I'm gonna have my next meal. I am in traffic a lot of the time. If I'm going to the grocery store, I don't want to shop on an empty stomach, so it's just nice to have something to fuel me in between. And also after workouts, whenever I'm going hiking or something, it's nice to just have something immediately in my body. Really love the chocolate brownie. It's really good if you have a chocolate craving. So I love having snack bars on hand. I also have a hand cream in here. I think this was in my last what's in my bag video. I have a bunch of these. This is just a body lotion from the Encore Hotel in Las Vegas. It smells so good, you guys. So I use this for my hands all the time now that the air is getting dry and we're leading into winter time. Can't be ashy in these streets. I have my vlogging camera. As a YouTuber that does Vlogmas, we cannot be missing out on those moments. So I always have my camera with me, charged up, ready to go with a full memory card. This is the G7X Mark II. I'll leave this also linked down below. It's a really nice camera. It has a flip out screen, which is crucial to make sure that everything looks good, lighting looks good, and you're in focus. So I've been rocking with this camera for a couple of years now, and I don't think I could ever switch to something else. I also have a fragrance in here. I do like having full-size fragrances. I just feel like I need to put it on right now. If you want to know what your girl smells like, this is it. It's the Replica by the Fireplace. This is actually a unisex scent. You can get it from Sephora. I'll leave it linked below. That's where I got mine. And it's just a mix of burning wood and chestnut. I don't know. I just don't think that's a good... If he eats that avocado pillow over there, it's on, you guys. But I don't think this is a good description. I always tell you guys that this smells exactly like the Bath & Body Works Marshmallow Fireside Candle. Oh no, I predicted the future. So in this zipper pouch in the back, also the lining is suede. So I really like that. It does say Teddy Blake on it. And these bags are made in Italy, just so you guys know. So I love that. And then the lining inside of that pocket has this pretty beige color. And I'm just checking on my avocado back there. I just keep my everyday lip color. Obviously, this will change every day based on my lip of that day or that night. So right now, I'm living and obsessing over this. This is the MAC lip liner in Stripped Down. Have that on underneath this lipstick, which is almost gone. Thank goodness I have a backup. This is Naturally Transformed. It's the perfect taupe nude color, and it's my favorite thing ever. It's a matte, and it's very creamy and just everything I ever need in a lipstick. So I just keep that in the back pocket. I would put my compact back there, but I don't want it to get bulky in the back of the bag. I like how it just kind of sits flat against my body when I'm wearing it. So instead, I utilize this side pocket to put my compact just for touch-ups. It's crazy because I never really reach for my powder because I have a really good setting spray on and my foundation is literally 24-hour wear, so I don't know why I continue to carry this around. I guess for those moments, just in case, it's always nice to have. So this is good because I have a puff in the bottom, and then it has a mirror, and then the powder. This is the Laura Mercier. What is this? Smooth Finish Foundation Powder. So this is in number 8. So that's just good to have. Plus there's a mirror, so I guess it works out. And also in that same pocket, I just have a couple of my business cards. I love these, they're so cute. And I just have these for networking events, opportunities whenever I run into someone from, you know, the industry. If you're running into other influencers, you live in LA, you're gonna meet a bunch of people. Usually I'll just give them my Instagram, but if I'm at an actual event, it's really nice to give the PR team or the CEOs, whatever, an actual physical card. That's how you get on PR lists, is you network and you meet cool people. So it's always good to have those on hand wherever I am. And then in this second pocket, On the side, it's much larger than the first one. That's where I just have a bunch of tangled mess. So I have my headphones or earbuds, I'm sorry, that came with my iPhone. I will use these if I'm running errands and I just want to be alone. I don't want people trying to sell me stuff on the streets. I just want to mind my business, do what I have to do, pop in and out, or if I want to talk to my mom or something, I'll have these. And then I have this little short cord. This is life-changing. Nobody has time for long cords in your bag, so I bought this shorter one just to charge my phone on the go. In my car is really good because I have USB in there. So that's what I'll use this for. Or if I'm at a friend's house, I can charge my phone. And I usually have a portable charger in here, but it's actually charging because I'm about to leave the house right now, so just add that to the mix. I'll leave mine linked in the description box so you guys can check that out. But that's everything that I keep in my bag. I would definitely say this is a good everyday size bag for running errands. If you're going out at night to dinner, you're going to a bar even, this is kind of big if I'm going to a bar. Not gonna lie, I don't need any of this stuff if I'm going to a bar. Oh my God, I forgot to show you guys I have a wallet. But it's attached to my keys, so it's by the front door. That would also be in my bag, an obvious. I would say this is too big for like a bar bag, but for dinner, for a date night, if you're gonna be doing shopping, running errands, an everyday bag, travel bag for the plane, I think this is definitely great if you're even going on trips, a bag to use while you're away. This is a beautiful bag that's very polished and stylish and a nice pop of color for your look. That's all I have to share about my new bag from Teddy Blake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got to see a reveal of my new purse for fall and winter time. I'm so excited. A pop of color. I am slowly but surely, have you guys noticed throughout this year, I've stopped wearing so much black and I've introduced a lot more color into my wardrobe, and it's probably been the best decision that I've ever made, so thank God for that. But before I do go, make sure you guys go ahead and join the dog gang and subscribe. Click the bell next to it so you guys never miss a post. You can also find me over on Instagram and Twitter at KDoll. I'm posting so much stuff whenever I'm not here on YouTube. You also get live updates on videos that will be upcoming, and I always ask for your opinions through polls and ask for questions to be featured in videos, so don't miss out on that. Follow me on social, and I will see you dolls in my next video very soon. Bye!